Stocks staged a solid recovery to push the PSE index back to 6,000 territory as investors hunt for bargains. The past 3 weeks since end September saw heavy sell-offs that dragged the main index to 5,700, a dizzying dive of nearly 1,800 points from this year's peak of 7,500. With a slow climb past 6,000, have Philippine equities hit bottom? Jonathan Ravelas is a chartist.
Is more of a technical rebound. Is it over? I don't think it's over. Why? Because inflation has yet to peak.
Ravelas forecasts inflation to peak anywhere between 7.4% and 8% this year, after registering at 6.9% in September. That makes a case for the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas to be more aggressive in raising borrowing costs to tame the rise in consumer prices. The central bank only has 2 last policy meetings left for 2022.
If we really are going to ensure that we can prevent the peso from depreciating beyond 60 before year end, then it might take 150 basis points, which means either we do 275 basis points or that will be placed in 3 hikes. The first 100 will happen within the year and the next 50 will come next year.
As the BSP narrows the spread between U.S. and Philippine interest rates, the peso should get a boost. The exchange rate could be stable at 58 to 58.50 pesos against the dollar by year end, thanks also to seasonal remittance flows.
But at the same time, we could probably be feeling some effects of a correction on the dollar trend after the yen recently breached 150 to the dollar. Then there could be some pause for now. But next week is a Fed meeting on November 2, so most likely they'll do a 75 basis points.
Property stocks rallied the most, led by Ayala Land and SM Prime. Conglomerates San Miguel and PLDT also led the gains. The bulls outnumbered the bears, but by a thin margin, suggesting that the bear market is not even halfway done. Lois Calderon, CNN Philippines.